안녕하세요. Today we are going to study about present tense, verb and adjective, and object marker. Let's practice how to conjugate present tense, verb and adjective. So verb is an action word and adjective means is describing word. And dictionary form will be always ends with ta. So to make functional, we always drop the ta first. And then we're going to attach present tense at the back. The first one, 아요. The other one is 어요. When it comes out to do, just change it to 해요. So verb and adjective present tense, there's three options, 아요, 어요, 해요. And when do we use 아요 or 어요? From the dictionary form verb and adjective 다, and the right in front of 다, when it has o or a vowel, then we're going to take 아요. If it doesn't have o or a vowel, we should take 어요. And as I said, when it comes out 하다, just simply change it to 해요. Let's practice. First, to go, dictionary form, we can say 가다, 가다. From here, to conjugate with present tense, we always need to drop the 다 first. And when we look at right in front of 다, it has a vowel. So we're going to take 아요. And just read one after another. 가요. I'll be faster. 가요. Is going, we can say 가요. So this is the right form when we read and write. How do we combine 가 and a? On 가, it doesn't have final consonants. We can combine it. One more time. 가요. Number two, to eat. Dictionary form is 먹다. 먹다. From here, always we need to drop 다 first. And then we're going to conjugate with present tense. When we look at the character right in front of 다, there is all vowel. No matter what, it has below consonant or not, just please check which vowel it used. So this time we should take 어요. After take the tense, we have to check can we combine or not. But when it has below consonant, we cannot combine the vowels. Is eating, 먹어요. 먹어요. Number three, to read, 읽다. 읽다. From here, also drop the 다. Right in front of 다, it doesn't have o or a. So also we can take 어요. After take the tense, we should check can we combine or not. Also, ik has below consonant, so we cannot combine. 읽어요. 읽어요. In the previous video, I explained double below consonant. And when it looks like 27 or 20, we should take second below consonant. But from here, after the below consonant, when next characters start with iung, then we have to bring over the second below consonant. We can pronounce 읽어요. 읽어요. Number four, to wait, 기다리다. 기다리다. Also, drop the 다. And when we look at the character right in front of 다, 리, also it doesn't have o or a. So we can take 어요. After take the tense, we have to check can we combine vowel or not. And on 리, there is no below consonant. So we can combine vowel. So please read one after another. 기다려요. 기다려요. When we say it faster, is waiting. 기다려요. 기다려요. How do we combine E and O? So when we learn the vowels, A, O, U. As I explained, when we say a little bit of E sound before say the vowel, 이야, 이야, 야. 이요, 이요, 요. 이요, 이요, 요. 이유, 이유, 유. That's why 기다리어요, E and O became 여. One more time. 기다려요. Number 5, to cook. 요리하다. 요리하다. And from here, when it comes out 하다, just simply change it to 해요. And is cooking, we can just say 요리해요. 요리해요. Let's look into about object marker. We're going to attach markers always after the noun. And object marker always used with verb. So verb always followed by object marker. There's two options. 을, 를. 을 when the noun ends with below consonant, and 를 when the noun ends with vowel. Indicate something is being done to noun, then we can attach object marker 을. And to make a sentence, also need to mention who or what is talking about. As we learned, then we need topping marker 은, 는. Let's make some sentences together. Number 1, I want to say, Mr. Minsu is eating breakfast. When we address person, we can attach she after person's name. So 민수 씨. And 민수 씨 is a person who we want to talk about. So we have to attach topping marker 는. 민수 씨는 and is eating breakfast. Breakfast, we can say 아침. And to eat, dictionary form, 먹다. From here, is eating. Present tense, verb and adjective. Always need to drop the 다 and then attach 어요 option because it doesn't have O or A. And 먹어요 type of word is verb. So verb always followed by object marker. So after 아침, we can attach 을. So 민수 씨는 아침을 먹어요. 민수 씨는 아침을 먹어요. Let's practice number 2. Miss Lina is watching movie. Also, when we address person's name, Lina 씨. To indicate Lina 씨 who is being talked about, we have to attach 는. Lina 씨는. Movie, we can say 영화. To watch or to see, dictionary form, 보다. From here is watching. I want to change into present tense verb option. Please drop the 다 first. And right in front of 다, there's O vowel. So we are going to take 아요. And on 보, there's no below consonants. So 보, 아, we can combine 봐. Is watching, 봐요. So 봐요, action word, always followed by object marker. So we can attach 를 after 영화. 리나 씨는 영화를 봐요. 리나 씨는 영화를 봐요. And number 3, I'm exercising every day. And I is the one who is being talked about. I was 저 in Korean. And 저 also ends with vowels. We can attach 저는. And every day in Korean, we can say 매일. To exercise, 운동하다. And 하다 present tense, just simply change it to 해요. So we can say 저는 매일 운동해요. And from here, 운동하다 is a combination verb. So 하다 actually means to do. So 운동하다, to do exercise. To do homework, 숙제하다. To clean, 청소하다. To sing, 노래하다. These kind of words we can separate as a noun and verb. So 운동 we can use as a one noun and then attach 하다. So if you indicate 하다 as a verb, then we can attach object marker after 운동. Also we can say 운동을 하다. And 숙제하다, so we can separate it. 숙제를 하다. And 청소하다, also to clean. 청소, we can also use as a one noun. So 청소를 하다. And the last one, to sing, 노래하다. 노래 means song. 노래를 하다. So let's go back to number 3. So 운동해요. Also we can say 운동을 해요. So both are same, but as a beginner student, please attach markers as much as possible. Whole thing one more time. 저는 매일 운동을 해요. 저는 매일 운동을 해요. One more things. To like, 좋아하다. This is not the combination verb. We cannot separate it. So 좋아를 해요. We cannot say this. Only can say 좋아해요. Now I'm going to organize all the 3 markers. So first one, we learned about topic marker. What or who speak wants to talk about. To indicate noun, what or who is being talked about. Then we have to attach topic marker 은, 는. Present tense noun, English like is and are. There are 2 options, 이에요 or 예요. So here's an example. Miss Lina is doctor. So Lina she is a person who speaker wants to talk about. So Lina 씨는 and doctor was 의사. And tense, please attach always at the end of the sentence. And 의사 type of word, noun, we should attach 예요. So Lina 씨는 의사예요. And second one, we learned about subject marker. Subject marker, we're going to use with adjective. So adjective, which was describing word. So with the adjective to being described noun, we have to attach subject marker 이 or 가. Also, let's practice. Korean food is delicious. Korean food, we can say 한국 음식. And is delicious, 맛있어요. And 맛있어요 type of word, describing word, which is adjective. And being described 한국 음식, we attached 이. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. And the third one we learned today about object marker. Verb always followed by object markers. Then after noun we can attach 을 or 를. So let's practice. I'm meeting my friend. I was 저, and 저 is a person who is being talked about. 저는 friend, 친구. To meet, 만나다. From here, each meeting, present tense, verb, or adjective, we can use 아요, 어요, 해요. So we can combine with 아요. Each meeting, 만나요. And 만나요, action word, being done to 친구. So after 친구, we should attach 을을. This time, vowel option. 저는 친구를 만나요. These are basic function of markers. And for number 1, topping marker, so instead of 은는, by attaching 이가, we can emphasize the noun more. If I say, 리나 씨가 의사예요. So Lina she is the one who is the doctor. Then we can attach 가. 리나 씨가 의사예요. And number 2, subject marker. Instead of 이가, by attaching 은는, it will be comparative marker. So we can also say, 한국 음식은 맛있어요. So first one, 한국 음식이 맛있어요. Just explain about 한국 음식. But by using 은는 instead of 이가, 한국 음식은 맛있어요, but implied meaning, other foods are not nice. Please keep in mind the 3 markers, what we learned so far now. Let's meet on next video. 안녕.